In a, s- in a small street workshop somewhere in India, an old craftsman sits quiet and at his on his wooden table around him are dozens of those small springs, metal pins and pieces from many different loops he has repaired over the years. A man from the neighborhood was in and placed an old metal padlock on the table. My lock stopped working this morning. The man says, "Can you fix it?" The craftsman picks up the lock and slowly turns in his hand, studying the word metal careful. Yes, he says calmly, his lock still like his seat. Many parts of the world a broken lock like this was simple. You throw away and replace it with a new one, but here in India, repairing things is part of daily life. Nothing is wasted. It is if it can still be saved. The craftsman opened a small metal box filled with delicate tools. With a thin metal pick, he carefully opens the padlock and removes the inner cylinder. Inside loads several tiny metals, pins and springs puncture the mechanism. One smaller spring is bent and struck. And this is the problem, the craftsman says quietly. With steady hands he removes the damaged springs and searches through a small container full of spare parts he has collected for many years. Soon he finds another spring that fits perfectly. He replaces the whole pieces, clean the inside of the lock, and remove dust and old grease that has built over time. Then he adds a small drop of soil so the mechanism moves smoothly again. Piece by piece, he reassembles the lock. The man watches patiently as the craftsman inserts the key. He tore it slowly. Click. The padlock opens perfectly. The craftsman smiles gently and hands the lock back. "You see," he says, "still strong." In places like this, people believe that objects deserve a second life. Instead of throwing things away, skilled hands repair them and keep them working for many more years. And for this craftsman fixing a simple log is not just a job, it is a tradition passed from generation to generation. If you enjoy watching traditional craftsmanship and stories like this from around the world, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to be spreading news from more fascination videos like this.